Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zelle's transaction history features. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. Now the first is for viewing transaction histories. What you got to do is to open the Zelle's app or log on to the website and then select the activity or transaction history tab, and then you gotta scroll through your transaction history to view past transactions, including things like sent payment, received payment, canceled payment, as well as failed payments. Now you could also use filters to narrow down your transaction history by date, transaction type, as well as the recipient or sender. And for searching for specific transactions, what you want to do is to use the search bar. You could just type in keywords such as the recipient's name or the payment amount to search for specific transactions. And you could also use the filter to narrow down your search results by date, range, or transaction types. Now for viewing transaction details, of course, what you want to do is to select the transaction from your transaction history to view more of its details. Now you could also view the transaction details, including things like transaction date and time. You got the payment amount, recipient, or the sender's information. You also have the transaction status, so if it's completed or cancelled, you could also see all of that. Now that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found that info useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.